Welcome to Team Tigio Court TV, where we upload videos every single day. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share our videos.
Okay, did that do it?
Yep, that's great. Thank you.
Okay, there's still another window here though. I gotta click. I got bad eyesight.
You're fine. You should be fine. You can just sit down. You're fine.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay. You're not meant to have to run that. You're good. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CF 175, State of Wisconsin versus Jared Kokesh. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Amber Sherwood, a public defender, making a special appearance on his behalf here today. We have Mr. Kokesh appearing by video conferencing in custody in Burnett County Jail. Warrant is quashed. Here for a bail hearing. Mr. Schmidt, argument, please.
I would ask the court to set a small cash bond on this based primarily on the fact of how serious the offense was. The main reason we did the complaint, the warrants, we didn't know where to find him because of the circumstances of how the offense went, and police couldn't do that. His history is minimal. He's 41. He has one prior. It's for OWI. So he does not have a history of violence. I don't know the extent to which he has a connection in the community. I think he might be from Minnesota, but that's unclear. Thank you.
All right. Before I ask for argument from Ms. Sherwood, Mr. Kokesh, do you have a local address?
I showed up for a restraining order, and I was staying there. So right now, not so much, but I can't really do anything from here. I agree and appreciate what he said. I'm not violent. I
don't
wish
need anything else. I was simply asking if you have a place to stay. Yes, you were here yesterday for a restraining order hearing. And you were living with the individual, and you are no longer living with the individual. You came
Correct.
with another gentleman. Is that a gentleman that you intend to stay with?
I would like to, but I can't ask him right now. That's where I was staying from the time of the incident to the yesterday occurrence.
Who is he?
That's where I was staying, yes.
Who is he to you?
He's a brother of the neighbors. And I do a lot of handyman work for everybody in that park and his brother. So I had just done some like odds and ends, clean up the yard, cut some firewood type stuff.
Okay, where are you from?
I was actually born in Hennepin County, but my mom moved here when I was very young. I went to school in Grantsburg. I graduated in Grantsburg. And then I moved to Nevada and...
Okay. Is your mom still living?
No, she left us, ma'am.
I'm sorry to hear that. So do you have any other relatives here in Burnett County?
Got like a cousin that was related to my stepdad, but they weren't legally married, so I guess
Okay.
It's not legally family.
That's okay. It's all fine. I was just trying to get a little bit more information, trying to figure out where you're going to go until this matter can resolve. If you're trying to look to go back to Nevada, if you're trying to look to go back to Hennepin County or somewhere in Minnesota.
When I lived in Nevada, it was because my biological father was there. My stepmom's passed, and he's in a hospital to dementia. So
Okay.
Nevada's not in the cards.
Okay.
Not going back to Nevada, no.
All right. I don't have much information to go on, Ms. Sherwood.
Yes, Your Honor, we're asking for a signature bond. He has been in the area for the last 10 years, it appears. He
Yes.
does not have any money, as evidence the fact that he qualifies for the public defender. And I will just reiterate, as Attorney Schmidt did, that he doesn't have a long history and no violent history at this time. And this was initiated on warrant where he didn't even know he was being looked for.
I know, it all happened yesterday.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, and I had to call the clerk of courts just to find out, the specific time in which to be here. I wish nobody any harm or ill will. I just, I would like to get out so I can make the money for the lawyer before it goes up. I think I got 60 days to pay that.
All right, these are serious allegations, Mr. Kokesh. I don't know the actual facts of the case. I don't know how serious it really was or is. On paper, it looks very serious. I'm going to tell you that I got a little bit more information about the incident or what happened yesterday at the hearing through that other matter. I really have concerns that you are of where you're going to stay and if you're going to be able to make your court appearances. But here's the thing. I'm just gonna do this. Can you please raise your right hand?
Sure, yeah.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me put your hand down. Do you swear to me that you are going to make every court appearance? You're gonna
Yeah,
come to court. If I tell you you have a court hearing, you're gonna come to court.
yeah.
And if for some reason you have an emergency and you would like to move the court date, you're gonna let the court know as quickly as practically possible and not just miss a hearing, correct?
Correct, yeah. I mean, I had to hunt information down to show up yesterday. I won't dip on you.
All right, and Mr. Kokesh, you're going to notify the court within 24 hours of where you are staying. And if that is just couch hopping or bedroom hopping or whatever, you're going to continue to notify the court each and every time you move to places to stay, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Do you have a telephone number?
No, I was using his landline. I do know of somebody who is single and I might go there for the holiday to give Rob and his family some privacy.
That's all good. I just want to make sure that I know where you're gonna be and that there's a way to get a hold of you so that we can have notice of court hearings, etc. Do you have a place to get mail? Can you get it at that friend's house, the neighbor's brother?
I mean, I would like to talk to him about it. I did talk with the court-appointed attorney and hopefully my ex will just give it to his brother, our neighbor, and not just throw it away. When I
Here's the
get
deal.
there, I can ask him if I can have mail sent there. I don't want to just
Yes.
send mail there without asking.
I appreciate that, and I'm sure he does too. Here's the deal. We'll keep the address as it is. I understand, Mr. Schmidt, you're asking for money, even if it's low, and generally, this would require some kind of cash, probably higher cash, because I have no concrete information that he's going to be able to be in a place and come to court. However, I'm gonna trust you, Mr. Kokesh.
I
Happy
appreciate that.
holidays. I'm gonna trust you because I want you to get out. I want you to find a job. I want you to find a place to live. And you swore to me on the record that you're going to make all your court appearances and you're going to notify the court when you move places to stay. So I'm gonna do $1,000 signature bond, absolutely no contact with victim. There's an injunction anyway, so you can't have contact, no contact with her residence, or if she's employed, her employment.
Yeah, stay away
Absolute
from Dairy
sobriety.
Queen. I know.
Absolute sobriety, no alcohol, no illegal substances,
Okay.
okay? And again,
Okay.
notify the court of all of those things, all right?
Okay, I appreciate your trust and these serious charges scare me too. I don't want a felony record. It's gonna make life a lot harder. I know
That's why you
it's-
need an attorney. That's why you need an attorney, okay? And,
Okay.
and, You're gonna get an attorney, they're gonna talk to you. I'm gonna schedule this for January 14th at 1.
Okay.
January 14th at 1. Come to court, okay?
Okay.
All right,
14th at 1. Okay.
right. And that'll be on your bail bond, okay? You'll get this thing and it's gonna be your bail bond. It's gonna tell you all the conditions that you must comply with, all of those things. At the bottom where you sign, it's gonna have the date of that court date, okay? So make
Okay.
sure, that's a very important document. It'll have all that you need to know for the next hearing and what you
And
need to
that's the
do to stay
acknowledgement of
compliant.
the next hearing, correct?
Correct.
Okay, yep.
All right, okay,
I
all right, thank
understand.
you. All right,
No,
we are
thank
adjourned.
you.
Mr. Herring.